good evening. Thank you again for staying. Tonight I'm with Attorney Justin Goulart as well. As I mentioned to you a few days back, he will be our deputy spokesperson, no, for the defense. So baka tomorrow, we agreed that Attorney Justin might start taking interviews to help me out naman dahil medyo we're really overstretched sometimes. No? Okay, so we're ready to take questions. Again, thank you very much for staying.
Attorney, what's your take dun sa naging ruling ng impeachment court ngayong gabi?
Well, the defense argued its position. Nilatag naman namin kung bakit kami nag-object. Nilagay naman namin doon sa aming opposition kung ano yung mga relevant laws that really fortified our position on why the request should not be given due course. But nonetheless, syempre, nasa hukom naman talaga kung anong desisyon. We submit to the decision of the impeachment court, but of course without prejudice to legal remedies available under the law.
Malaking setback ba to sa inyo o ano tingin niyo?
Sa amin, syempre, hindi namin may pagkakaila na talagang we had strong grounds to oppose. No? At least, yun yung pananaw namin. But as to setback, we're ready naman, whatever happens. The possibility of this happening is something we also anticipated. So, hindi naman natin masasabi na malaking setback to. Syempre, hindi naman tayo magbobolahan. Syempre, mas gusto namin kung talagang kumbaga napagbigyan din, no, yung opposition namin. But that's normal naman in any court proceeding, and we respect the impeachment court as well as the ruling made by the presiding officer. So we just submit to the ruling of the court, but again without prejudice syempre sa mga remedies, no, that are available.
Attorney, speaking of remedies, what are the possible legal